Today, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on a 2012 to 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. The process will be the same for the 2018 up Durango SRT. These are with the 6.4 liter V8 Hemi. The first thing we're going to do is pop the hood. So on the 6.4 liter Hemi, your air intake filter box is going to be right here on the driver's side. So your intake box is going to have some clips here and here, but mine is missing one, so I just have the one clip. So we're going to unclip that, pop the top off, and we'll have access to our air filter. So we're going to undo that clip, and this is going to lift up. And as you can see, we got access to our air filter right there. So we're going to pull that thing out. You can see how dirty that thing is. We'll throw that in the trash. All right, now we got our nice new clean air filter. And we're going to install it this side up, the mesh side up, just like this. So we're going to lift this box back up, drop it in there like so. Set the box back down. Reconnect the latches, which, like I said before, mine only has one. Wipe off some of the debris from that. And you're good to go. Air filter is changed.